Here's another clip from John on his travels, and I know this road quite well. It's actually just north of Liverpool and it's the Formby bypass. Now, have a little look at the tractor up ahead. The road a bit further splits into two lanes, and the tractor, towing a trailer, goes into lane 2. Why do you think that's going to happen? Do you think they're overtaking a slow moving vehicle? More than likely not. If a vehicle this slow and this big moves into lane 2, they're probably going to turn right. And if you don't know the junction up ahead, and you don't know whether there's a further slip road, you might get stuck behind it turning right. Another important clue to pick up is the length of time that the tractor has stayed in lane 2. If something had broken down, the tractor would have been out and then back in pretty shortly. John sussed this out really early, as expected, but the white Mercedes in front took them a little longer. Now let's have a little look where the tractor is going to turn. Remember, it's always anticipation that gets you to your destination faster.